Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joy Bettenhausen. We'll be dealing with some breezy winds once again today, but not gusty winds. We're likely not going to see the 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts that we saw yesterday today. So that's some good news, especially since we have warmer temperatures once again. But by later on this evening, we'll start to see some showers and thunderstorms roll through. Tomorrow, those showers and storms will continue mainly throughout the morning, and then we'll get a break, and then we'll have another round by the afternoon. Of course, we'll go over that in just a few minutes. And then by Tuesday, we're partly cloudy, we're dry, but we're dealing with cooler temperatures as well. Today's winds will likely gust up to 30 miles per hour throughout the day today, but you can see after 5 o'clock, they quickly die down, and we're likely only going to see 5 to 10 mile per hour winds later on this evening into the overnight. Let's talk about that rain chance now. We're waiting for this cold front to kind of set up shop in our northern counties right around 6, 7 o'clock. That's when we'll start to see the first raindrops fall, and then that cold front will start to move through the viewing area. This is midnight now. Now notice this bulge of storms there. That could likely indicate some stronger wind gusts. However, severe weather is not expected as this cold front moves through. Rain continues throughout the morning hours, but as we make it towards 8 a.m., those showers and storms fizzle out pretty quickly. So you might have to deal with a couple of isolated showers on your way to work, but that should be it. We'll stay relatively dry other than a couple passing showers throughout the late morning, early afternoon, but then we're watching the second wave here. This is 3 o'clock now, and we're likely going to see some storms push through the area relatively quickly. Should be out of the viewing area by about 9 o'clock. Again, severe weather is not expected. Can't rule out some stronger wind gusts, though. When things are all said and done through Monday, we're likely going to see the most rainfall in our northwestern counties, and that's because that cold front's really going to stay in that viewing area for the longest amount of time, and then it will push through the viewing area. Elsewhere, we could see about a ½ inch to an inch, maybe a quarter of an inch for our far southern counties. Today's highs, we will be in the low 80s for most, upper 70s further north. We'll have increasing clouds, and again, that chance of storms will start to make its way through about the evening hours. Overnight tonight, that shower and storm chance does continue. Our temperatures will fall to the low 60s. City by city forecast: Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. We're in the 70s for highs tomorrow to start the work week, and then only dropping down to the low 60s by Tuesday under partly cloudy skies. Some of us could see maybe a 50-degree temperature or two for highs over the next 10 days, but we're likely going to stay in the 60s for the most part, with the next chance of rain looking to be on Thursday.